Brake pads are a foundational safety component in any heavy vehicle, and choosing the right pad can influence stopping power, heat management, dust generation, and long-term rotor wear. For trucks and large SUVs, the demands of towing, hauling, and maneuvering under load push brake systems toward higher friction material.
List number 1. Bendix Premium SBC 1363 Ceramic Front Brake Pads for Cadillac Escalade. Bendix Premium SBC 1363 ceramic front brake pads are an OE replacement option designed to match fit, form, and function for a broad range of GM trucks and SUVs. They are marketed as OEM equivalent with a focus on durability and corrosion resistance, and they come with a single pad configuration for front applications. Price point at $31.95 places them as the budget option in this comparison, offering a value-driven alternative to more expensive ceramic compounds. Performance-wise, these pads leverage ceramic material to reduce fade and deliver stable bite under normal to moderate driving conditions. They are specified as front axle, vehicle-specific fit, with an emphasis on reliability over aggressive stopping power. Compared to carbon ceramic alternatives, you can expect lower dust formation and a smoother, quieter feel at typical highway speeds, though extreme towing or heavy loads may push them toward higher rotor temperatures. Users should confirm exact fitment via the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool to ensure model year coverage remains accurate given the broad vehicle list. The 5.3-pound weight and compact dimensions indicate a typical aftermarket ceramic pad size that's easy to install for DIY enthusiasts with standard caliper configurations.
List number 2. Front. iBest Wolf offers an 8-piece front and rear ceramic brake pad set P1414 and P1602 designed for 2012 to 2020 Ford F-150 4x4 trucks. The package covers both front and rear axles, providing a comprehensive solution for owners seeking a complete pad replacement without sourcing multiple SKUs. At $52.99, the product targets value-conscious buyers who want a broad compatibility footprint with a single purchase. Performance-wise, the ceramic composition aims to deliver quiet operation, lower dust, and stable performance across a range of driving conditions. The dual-axle coverage can simplify maintenance planning for trucks with multi-axle braking requirements, though the weight of the included components, 9.04 pounds, suggests a robust package that should accommodate typical F-150 configurations. The OEM part numbers 1414 and 1602 indicate compatibility with common Ford brake systems, but users should verify exact fitment via the product listing and vehicle confirm tools, as aftermarket pads can vary by rotor size and caliper design. In practice, expect improved braking response with reduced maintenance noise compared to non-ceramic options, especially for fleet or family hauling use.
List number 3. PowerStop Front Z36 2087 Truck. PowerStop Z36 2087 is a front brake pad designed for trucks and 4x4s with a focus on towing and hauling. The carbon fiber ceramic formula promises high temperature stability, reduced noise with stainless steel shims, and added durability through a powder-coated backing plate. Priced at $64.78, it sits in the premium mid-range and emphasizes performance for heavier loads on Ford Expedition, F-150, and Lincoln Navigator platforms. Performance-wise, the Z36 line is marketed as a high-performance solution for drivers who routinely tow or haul heavy loads. The stainless steel shims aid heat dissipation and reduce audible brake squeal, while the carbon ceramic compound aims to balance strong stopping power with low dust. The product is designed to resist rust and corrosion, supporting longevity in harsh environments. Real-world use typically shows improved fade resistance during repeated braking events, particularly when descending hills with payload, compared to standard ceramic pads. Installation reliability is enhanced by included hardware and a ready-to-install kit. Buyers should confirm exact fitment via the Amazon tool due to vehicle-specific variations.
List number 4. PowerStop Z36 976 Front Truck. PowerStop Z36 976 is a front brake pad tailored to older Toyota trucks and 4x4s, GX470, 4Runner, FJ Cruiser, Sequoia, Tacoma, Tundra, with a focus on towing capability and off-road readiness. At $39.33, this option sits in the budget to mid-range tier and emphasizes the same Z36 truck and tow philosophy, adapted for a variety of 6-lug and 4x4 platforms. Performance-wise, the Z36-976 brings the same low-dust, high-heat tolerance approach as other Z36 variants, with powder-coated backing plates and stainless steel shims for enhanced heat dissipation and reduced noise. The formulation is designed to endure harsher operating conditions typical of off-road use and heavier payloads. Users should expect solid daily drivability and improved braking confidence when navigating steep descents or slippery terrain. Fitment should be validated against the vehicle's exact make, model, or year to avoid rotor and caliper compatibility issues, particularly on older Toyota platforms.
List number 5. PowerStop Z36.1399 Front Z36 Truck. PowerStop Z36.1399 represents the top-end option in this lineup, providing carbon fiber ceramic front pads for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500-3500. At $79.78, it targets heavy-duty hauling and high-load scenarios with a robust feature set, including heat-resistant formulation, powder-coated backing, and included hardware. This model is positioned as the premium pick for those demanding maximum braking confidence under sustained load. Performance-wise, the Z36.1399 benefits from an advanced carbon ceramic blend designed to maintain effective friction at elevated temperatures, reducing fade during long descents or heavy braking sequences. The package's stainless steel shims and powder-coated backing plate help manage heat and resist corrosion, while the fitment notes emphasize using the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool to ensure exact compatibility with Ram 2500-3500 variants. In practice, expect enhanced pedal feel, reduced rotor wear from superior heat management, and maintained pad life in demanding job sites. The higher price is justified for owners who tow frequently or operate with heavy payloads where brake confidence is critical.